Sometimes in life, the most valuable moments are not only formed by what we see with our eyes, but also by what we feel with our hearts. To capture these moments in the most special way, we need a different perspective. High-tech drones have the power to turn ordinary moments into magical stories. In a world where time passes quickly, gaining a perspective from the sky can offer both peace and inspiration. As a way to experience every moment and every emotion more deeply, the sky gives you the opportunity to push the boundaries of your creativity. Life is not just a journey, but a process of discovery, and each discovery brings out the potential within you. Now, let's get into the details of these products. Number 5. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is the lightest and most compact aerial camera from DJI. Weighing just 135 grams, it can easily take off and land right from the palm of your hand. Plus, it keeps you centered in the frame while capturing stunningly stable 4K videos. Thanks to its AI algorithms, the Neo can track you even when you're on the move, whether you're biking, skateboarding, or just out for a walk. It connects directly to your smartphone via the DJI Fly app and can even be controlled with voice commands. With full propeller guards and an 18-minute flight time, the Neo is designed for safe and convenient use both indoors and outdoors. If you're into personal vlogs or just want to capture your everyday life, the DJI Neo is an awesome choice. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. This drone captures 4K videos with a 155-degree ultra-wide angle, making your movements appear live and in detail. With the new 1/3-inch CMOS sensor, it allows you to capture high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. When paired with DJI Goggles 3 and DJI RC Motion 3, the flight experience is enriched even further. These combinations allow for intuitive motion control and easy acrobatic maneuvers. For example, you can easily perform 360-degree front or back flips, 180-degree drifts, or 360-degree rolls to the left or right with just the press of a button. The drone has a flight time of 23 minutes, and new sensors ensure stable flight even at low altitudes or in enclosed spaces. What are your thoughts on this product? Number 3. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is one of the advanced drones designed for aviation enthusiasts. With a 6K resolution for photos and 4K/30 FPS video recording capabilities, it captures every moment in high-quality detail. Thanks to its 3-axis gimbal system, this drone ensures that your shots are stable and vibration-free. With the help of optical flow sensors, it provides a stable flight experience even in windy conditions. The 10,000-foot, about 3,048 meters FPV digital transmission range allows for seamless communication over large areas. With 2 batteries, the drone offers a total flight time of up to 70 minutes. Its compact design and ergonomic controller make it a great option for both beginners and experienced users. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. Equipped with a triple camera system, this drone expands your creative possibilities with various focal lengths. Its primary 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera offers 20-megapixel resolution and an adjustable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, delivering stunning image quality. The Mavic 3 Pro's medium telephoto camera has a 70mm equivalent focal length and captures 48-megapixel photos with incredible detail. The third telephoto camera features a 166mm equivalent focal length, an f3.4 aperture, and 12-megapixel resolution, offering 7 times optical and 28 times hybrid zoom capabilities. This makes it perfect for capturing distant subjects with precision. With up to 43 minutes of flight time, a comprehensive obstacle detection system, and a 15-kilometer HD video transmission range, the Mavic 3 Pro is designed for safety and performance at the highest level. Work is also underway on even more advanced models of this drone. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Weighing just 249 grams, this drone combines portability with high performance. The Mini 4 Pro is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stunning 48-megapixel photos and recording 4K 60 frames per second videos effortlessly. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, it's perfect for extended shoots. It can also transmit 1080p AORI/60 fps live video up to 20 kilometers away. The drone features an obstacle detection system, enhancing safety during flights. Its intelligent flight modes and automatic shooting features make it an even more impressive choice for content creators. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.